Assalamualaikum guys, this is Sama from Yanzuz. Inshallah, hope so you will be in your good state of health. So now I am starting lecture series on A level courses, and that will be include inshallah chemistry, biology, physics, and hope so I shall start O levels and some other subjects too as well. So give a helping hand by subscribing my channel and sharing with your friends. Inshallah, hope so seeing you in appreciation box and comment. Please comment regarding any mistakes or any suggestions. Your suggestion will be appreciated inshallah. So now come to the lectures. Name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. So starting from the topics of chemistry, atom. So basically what is atom and how you define atom. For to understanding the concept of atom, we have to know what is matter. So what is matter? Basically anything which has mass and occupy space is known as matter. It would be a chair, it would be a leaf, it would be a cloth, it would be yourself, myself, it would be anything which has mass and occupies space. It would be a dust, it would be iron, and so on. It would be even air. And matter has three states. Sometimes we call fourth state also. The basic three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gaseous state. There is also another state in modern chemistry, you can say that, which is plasma state. This is fourth state of matter. Okay, so this is a little intro about matter. Now when we talk about matter, just like when we talk about building, we also talk about that building's basic unit. Like buildings are made up of bricks. There is a building. We know that small bricks make walls and walls make separations and so on, and we made our building. Okay, so the basic unit of building you see in any area is a brick. Same just like this, the basic unit of matter, it doesn't matter whether it is huge or it is small, it doesn't matter. Any matter, its basic unit is atom. So matter basic unit is atom. Hope so this short intro about matter and atom inshallah will be cleared in your minds. Now come to the atom. What is atom? We shall talk about atom. So what is atom? Smallest particle of matter. I have already told you that what is matter. Anything which occupies space and have mass is matter, and smallest particle of that matter is known as atom. Okay, now element. We shall talk about now element. From atom to element. Now we know that matter has basic unit atom. If many atoms of same kind, of same type, means similar atoms, many similar atoms together, they form element. Okay, so what is the basic definition of element? Element is made up of same types of atoms. Element is a collection of same type of atom. Element is a collection of similar kinds of atom. Just like you see, suppose this is atom. Okay, if similar types of atoms together, just like in a cage or in a shopping bag, they will form element. And we have base element, hydrogen is element, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and so on. You have to remember a periodic table to have a good grip on chemistry. We shall talk on periodic table 2, how to understand it, how to how to remember it in easy way. So basically, this is element. What is element? Many atoms of same kind together, they form element. Acha. Now let's move to towards something other. There is another term used. Different elements have different atoms. Yes, it's true. How? Like, if this is hydrogen, this hydrogen atom has one electron, one proton. I shall talk about this atom basic structure. And we know that helium, it has two protons and two electrons. So hydrogen atom together, many hydrogen atoms, they will form hydrogen element. Many helium atoms, they will form helium element. So you know, helium element has different types of atom than hydrogen elements. Okay, hydrogen element has different type of atoms than helium. Means hydrogen element has same types of hydrogen atoms, helium element has same types of helium atoms, many more, and just like here, but they are different from each other. So we can say that hydrogen element is different from helium atom, hydrogen element has different atoms from helium elements. Clear? Hope so. Inshallah it will be clear, not a difficult one. Okay, now we talk about the hydrogen atom's diameter. We take hydrogen as a standard to talk about here, because hydrogen is the smallest element, and it has only one electron, one proton, and so it's the smallest. So basically, what is the diameter of hydrogen atom? It is 10 raised to power minus 10 meters. Just focus on this, how small it is. And its weight is almost 1.67 multiplied 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. It means 0.0000000, and so on, almost up till to decimal power 27 it becomes. So basically this is our basic concept. Now we will talk about the structure of atom. So now move towards the atom. This is nucleus. Here this is orbit, this is electron. When we talk about atom, you see this type of diagram in your books. So atom is made up of nucleus, and nucleus is further made up of nucleons, which are protons and neutrons. There are also other particles, but just focus on this here. And atom has also electron, which is moving outside nucleus. So when we talk about hydrogen atom, there is one proton here and one electron here. I am representing electron with E and proton with P. This is, and this is nucleus. For example, to understand the concept of atom, just look at the football stadium in circle. Suppose this is football stadium, here are chairs, etc, and you see a football in a ground. So this is just like that, this football, the smallest thing in the stadium is nucleus, and the orbit and the circumference it is covering. Here electron is moving, here electron is moving, sorry, mistake. So basically this is a concept about atom. Now we move towards further. What is one thing remaining? Here is also neutrons. Neutrons are also present in the nucleus, and We are talking about hydrogen. I did not mention neutron here because hydrogen element has no neutron, but it's other type isotopes. If you know, if you don't know, then leave it here. I shall inshallah try to clear in the further lectures. So basically, hydrogen has one proton and one electron. When we talk about atom, for understanding, you should remember that in the nucleus, there are protons and neutrons. So we will talk about these three terms: what is neutron, what is proton, and what is electron. So as far as protons is concerned, they are positive charges particles inside nucleus. And when we talk about neutron, these are neutral particles inside nucleus. And when we talk about electrons, these are negatively charged particles revolving around nucleus continuously. So this is the basic concept about atom. Protons, positive charge particle; neutron, neutral particles; and electrons, negative charge particle. And from these, now move towards other step. Next step, from these proton, neutron, and electron, why we need to understand them? Two terms are there: atomic number and atomic mass. If I say there is one proton and 0 neutron and 1 electron in an atom, then we can say its atomic number is 1. Why? Because atomic number is the number of protons or number of you can say number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Now move towards atomic mass. If I say there is one proton and 0 neutron and 1 electron, what its atomic mass? Atomic mass is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons inside the nucleus. So here in this case is 1 proton plus 0 neutron, as there is no neutron, so its atomic mass is 1. So this is example of hydrogen atom. Now let's take another example. If I say there is an atom having 12 protons, 12 neutrons, and various orbits here. I am not drawing 12 electrons because I am just giving a basic concepts. So now what its atomic number? As atomic number is the number of protons inside the nucleus, so what is number of protons inside nucleus? So now talk about this. Number of protons inside this atom, inside this nucleus, is 12, as I mentioned here. So what is its atomic number? It is 12. This is atomic number. Now when we talk about atomic mass, what will be the atomic mass of this atom? This will be number of protons plus number of neutrons is equal to 12 plus 12, as 12 plus 12, 12 protons are here inside this nucleus and 12 neutrons are there inside this nucleus, so it will be 24. It will be 24 atomic mass of this atom. So this is the basic concepts regarding the atomic number and atomic mass. Clear? So this is a short lecture regarding introduction of atoms and atomic number, atomic mass, matter and element, and you are seeing here. So inshallah I shall try to cover next topics soon. Not giving confirmation because might be my mind would change, as it's a time consuming work. So pray for me, pray for yourself. May Allah bless all of us. Amin summa amin. Take care. Allah Hafiz.